All right, a top story. Asian markets edged higher with Japan stocks leading gains for a second straight session ahead of the final US Federal Reserve meeting of the year. Japan's Nikkei 225 opened higher after closing up 1.6% in the previous session. Producer prices in Japan have risen at a faster than expected pace, which is supporting the rally to top Japanese stocks. The Japanese yen also showed some strength against the dollar, helping Japanese stocks tick higher. Now, South Korea's Kospi climbed after closing the previous session flat. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rebounded off a one-year low to open with minor gains, but the mainland Chinese CSI 300 index fell at the open. Overnight in the US, all three major indices advanced, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average recording its third straight day of gains. Remember, the Fed's two-day meeting kicks off today, and the US Central Bank is expected to maintain the federal funds rate steady in the 5.25% to 5.5% range. Market players will also assess the US November inflation figures out later today. In the commodities market, oil prices held steady. Investors are taking a cautious approach ahead of key interest rate policy and inflation data announcements, and amid doubts that production cuts by OPEC Plus next year would offset crude oversupply and weaker fuel demand growths. Gold prices fell below $2,000 an ounce as the dollar and US Treasury yields firmed. The dollar rose by 0.2%, making gold more expensive for other currency holders. United States 10-year Treasury yields also edged higher, reducing the opportunity cost of holding the bullion. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies fell overnight as investors took profits after its December rally. Crypto equities were dragged down too. Now, Coinbase fell about 5%, while MicroStrategy lost close to 7%. But Bitcoin's year-to-date returns are still over 100%, making it one of the best-performing assets of 2023.